I just remembered I was going to have her share a room with my Webkinz Graying White cat, so I didn't have to make her a room, and she's in the cheerleader theme right now. And we're going to go and open her present, and then we're going to put her Caring Valley tree on. So, yeah. I have a ton of stuff in my dock. I really need to clean it out, but looks the clothes are frozen. Not more, okay. So, this is her little gift boxy. Open it. Whoa, she got the giant castle. Awesome! Look at it. Look at it! I know you can't really see that, but that's a sofa thingy. And we got a bonus gift box, too. So let's open this. And she got a Centuron candelabra. That's pretty cool. And look, now we have $8,060. That's like awesome. Oh, and I'm going to do this real quickly. It looks like I have a ton of mail. Okay, I just showed the username. Oopsies. I have a ton of mail right now, so I'm going to open it real quick and say thanks to everyone. This is from my brother, who's sitting right beside me. He seems to have sent me some raspberries, strawberries, and tacos. Thank you, Mason.
You're welcome.
See, I can actually thank him because he's right beside me. And he sent me another one. Okay. Looks like I got a piece of jumbleberry pie and freshly squeezed sugarberry juice. And then we have another one from him. And that is a Zum Toffee and 2 of those. One more from him. And that is a bright yellow dresser, a gumdrop lamp, and a piece of pie.
You're welcome. You're welcome, and you're welcome.
Thank you, and thank you, and thank you.
Hey, there's one more.
No, well, that's at the top. We'll open that one last. These are 2 friends from Webkinz Insider that sent me something.
Wow, it's shiny.
Yes, it's shiny.
I know.
Shiny!
Shiny knows mine.
I got
Wait, what's it?
a 25% off coupon. Thank you to my friend who sent me that. Then another one. Whoa, look at that paper.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that paper.
What's a golden bow?
That's silver.
Oh, I guess it's a silver.
Thank you to who sent this to me. I'm going to see what's in it now. A striped hat thingy. Mixie March pie. And a Wheel of Wow jacket. Thank you. And one more from Mason. And some red paper. And that would be the Huskies food, tacos, and some berry juice. Thank you to everyone who sent me stuff. Okay, let's go to the Caring Valley. Oops, no, we have to go to the code shop. No, I clicked Curio Shop. Okay, so we need to go to the code shop first. Okay, I'm going to type in the code now. That's your foot. Move your foot. 22.
It's shaking. The dream is facing the picture. It's faced that for about 5 times.
Okay. Let's open it. Look at it. It's so pretty.
Sally Kane, what's yours?
It's a bouquet, a candle, and some King's Cash. Okay, so let's plant our little trees. Since this one's not very full, well, it's the least full. That one's not very full. We'll put 2 here, and we'll put... It's growing!
Oh my goodness.
Yep, it grew. Now we're going to plant 1 more here. And then we're going to put... I can name that. 2 right here. Look how it... Look at it. Okay, 1 more. Cool.
That's a fat one.
Okay, so we planted those 4. And now we get to make our palm tree. Okay, so that's one of the choices. What's the other choice? Move! I want to move. So there's the flowery one, the leaves, and then the little curly cues. And in the bottom there's Let's Party and that bow. I like the balloons. And then on the base there's presents, boombox with, I like that. I like this. So that's how I'm going to make it look. Yes. Coolio. Yep, so. Bye.